niguo mbitika ciaikereka ria keri cia mathukuru cia Tala iratirihirwo ahatoni makiyukia ikombe mithako-ini itiganite. Imwana cia thukuru wa Upper Hill kuma guku Nairobi magikuwa ikombe igiri, kimwe thutha wa kugutha Chipukize mubira-ini wa maguru na bao igiri hatari macokio, na kingi muthako-ini wa ikabu niguo basketball. Imwana cia thukuru wa Tala nao marayukia uhotani muthako-ini wa gonya thutha wa gutoria thu ciao Katuanya, nao Masinga Boys makimatha gikombe muthako-ini wa handball akuria mwena wa airetu ngogeno irainukirio ni airetu a Tala Girls.
My girls have played very well. We have enjoyed. We have been well supported by our principal, Madam Kirinya. Na tunashukuru sana kwa sababu hii tournament itatusaidia sana katika maandalizi. Tunaenda kujitayarishia sasa katika hiyo michezo yote na ile mingine.
Mwana wa Nyarari airetu a thukuru wa St Teresa kuma kaunti-ini ya Embu na aria mwaka muthiru manyitirite mbitika-ini cia mathukuru ma East Africa nio marari gacumbiri.
As in Kuppet, we are always supporting teachers' activities. We are in co-curricular. We want to make sure teachers are supported every way as they prepare the students and build talents for the students. Today's tournament is going to go a long way to prepare teachers for the sports in secondary schools. In this term one, Kenya Secondary School Sports Games, and also as we prepare for the competitions in secondary schools.
Ngucanio ici na iria irarehete hamwe mathukuru kuma kaunti-ini cia Machakos, Nairobi, Makueni, Embu na Kitui ni wihariria mbere wa mbitika cia mathukuru ma secondary ma mwaka uyu.
So this tournament is going to create an opportunity for schools also to see whether they are able to get that path of sports. We want to encourage schools to continue bringing their teams. We have had 5 counties in this tournament.
Weekend ino mbitika orota ici iguthie na mbere thukuru-ini wa Alliance Kinanio the Bush tournament akuria mathukuru ma Kakamega High, Kisumu High na Nakuru High marikitie kuyandikithia kunyita itemi. Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Inoro TV, Njitagwo Mugure wa Karuiru.